Alright, what's up? What's up? I'm the developer of this thing here, and I'm just gonna get to the gist of it so you can properly, you know, discombobulate the Farfignugan. So, if when you're playing CS, you want to keep track of your statistics. A lot of people like to do that, hence the fucking ESCA that I don't know if I hate or if I love. I don't pay it anymore, so I guess I hate it. This is where I got the idea from, is keeping track of your statistics with graphs, because I figured out that graphs drive people to excellence. So these are the graphs. You can rotate it around like this. Pretty neat. I use the same API that CS is based on, the OpenGL. I did not write the code for all the rendering. I just used the interface with a video card. So how did I get that? I right clicked. If I right click, I can change a couple things here. For instance, I'm gonna just click some shit here. You'll notice that some stuff is gonna change. Pretty cool. Uh, like I said, what this thing does is it keeps track of your statistics and all that. But like I mentioned in ESCA, you don't have to worry about inputting data. All you gotta worry about is actually just playing and being good at the game, which very few people are good at. But anyway, if you want to put some more data in here, I'm just going to reveal how that's done. You got to click here, the little add session on your top left. This is where it might get a little hairy. Some people might get a little confused with this because it took me a long time to figure out the best way to input data, because I really wasn't able to integrate it with the actual game to communicate with the server. I mean, that was kind of out of my scope. Maybe in the future I'll do that. But these are the pre-rounds here on your top of this window. There's pre-rounds and final rounds, or the rounds that typically you might want to take a screenshot of the end of the game, so you have to write down the stuff, and then you got your other stuff here. So if I were to go into a pub, play for 20 minutes, and come out, this is what I would do. I would finish the pub, and then I would open this program. I would have had taken a screenshot of the end of that session, and the only two things I want to know before, is like when I go into the server, I want to jot down how many pre-rounds were already there. Rounds that people played before I got in the server. So let's say it was 5 and then 9. T, 5T, 9CT. Then when I was done, I took a screenshot. I minimized the game. I opened this, and then I opened that screenshot just to check out the data. I had like 15 rounds for the T's, and then 13 for the CTs. It really doesn't matter which side you were on. If you change side, that's irrelevant for this. And then your frags. These are the actual frags that appear on that screenshot. Don't matter if you got like 30 bomb kills and one actual kill. Just put what you see there. The algorithms in here will take care of that. So let's say I had, shit, 23 frags, and then I had 10 deaths, and I had, let's say, 3 bomb kills. Hopefully that's going to go through without any kind of messing up. I can change this here, the actual style of the game. It could be assassination, classic, deathmatch, gun game match, or scrim. I'm just do a classic, which is a regular pub. I can change it between 1.6, easier source, depending on the game I'm playing. I play 1.6, but if you play easier source, you can do that. They're pretty much exactly the same. The graphics change a little bit about the game. Then the map, I played on whatever map. I'm just going to pick a map right here. Since I had bomb kills, it can't be a FY. Let's say I played on Nuke. And then I just put the server that I played on. I'm going to go ahead and put Firebase Alpha Bravo. And I'm going to click Save. And then, as you can see, maybe you can see, it added one entity on the end of each graph here, which is 14, and then the numbers are getting kind of jumbled up. If I get this thing here and I kind of maximize it like that, you can see a little better. 14 here, and then this last one here, and just basically added one thing on the end of each graph. The piece of data that I just entered, all of this stuff has been entered into a database. I can change the view here of the graph. I can see the bombs graph. I kind of typically leave the bomb graphs off because I don't really care about them. I can, click some other stuff here. You'll see what will happen, and some, thingies change. Thingies are always good. So that's the gist of it, and there's other things that this program can do. For instance, inputting a new map. I don't put like a new map in here, like DE fuck, and now I have a new map there, DE fuck. But when you go ahead and you put a new session in, this window here will take care of inputting new maps and servers. So you don't have to. This is just in case you want to arbitrarily put in a new server here or whatever, a new map. And that's the gist of it. If you have any questions, tough luck. See ya. Peace.